If your KDP account is stuck under review and you've been refreshing the dashboard for days, feeling like your books are just sitting there while others are making sales, I know exactly how frustrating that is, because every day delayed is money lost. But here is the good news: most people can actually face this faster than they think if they know the right steps to take. I am Creative Ami. Here I teach simple KDP steps through AI prompts and honest way to start earning online. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to resolve KDP identity verification delays in 2026. This is a step-by-step method that helps most creators get out of under review limbo quickly without waiting for support team. We'll cover why it happens, the common mistakes that make it worse, and the exact checklist and actions to take right now. Let's start with why your account is stuck, because understanding this saves you from making it worse. In 2026, Amazon updated the identity checks with stronger AI to catch fraud. That is good for the platform actually, but it means even small mismatches can trigger a manual review, and those reviews are taking longer because of the backlog. The biggest mistake most people make is resubmitting the same documents over and over. Every time you re-upload, it resets your place to the queue. You basically go to the back of the line again. So you have to stop refreshing and submitting blindly, because that is what usually keeps people stuck. Now let's look at the top causes and how to fix each of them. The first cause is mismatch between your ID and the name you use while creating your Amazon account. Amazon compares your government ID name to the name you use while creating your account. Even a small differences like a middle name missing, maybe you added junior in your ID and while creating your account you forgot to add the junior, Amazon can actually flag it. And how you can easily fix this is to go to your KDP dashboard, then you locate your account info, make sure that the name matches your ID exactly the way it is. Both the first name, the last name, the middle name, make sure that it all matches exactly how it appears in your ID. Then update it if needed. This alone can actually fix the issue. The second cause is low quality document scans. Amazon now requires high resolution color scans. So phone photos with gray shadows or low light get rejected by their OCR system. What I mean is the AI that reads text from images. And how you can easily fix this is to use a scanner app like Adobe Scan or Microsoft Lens. Both of them are free. You can place your ID on the flat surface with good lighting without any flash. Scan front and back, export as clear PDF or JPEG at 300 dpi or higher. Or if your phone camera is good enough, you can snap both the sides without cutting the edges. If you already submitted bad photos, don't panic, okay? Because we are going to escalate that later. Another thing that can actually cause this is inconsistent IP address or VPN usage during sign up or login. If you signed up or logged in from different locations or you use a VPN, Amazon flags it because they see it as suspicious activity. And how can you resolve this? You can easily solve this by turning off any VPN now. If you used one before, mention it while contacting support team. Explain honestly. Example, if you use a different device or location, you can say something like, I used a different device or location because my old one was bad. And I also want to advise you that you should use one device while logging into your Amazon account in order to avoid future flags. Now here is the escalated checklist that you need to do before contacting support team. The first one is double checking to make sure that your name matches exactly the way it is in your ID, and fix any mismatch if there is anyone there before uploading your ID. Another one is to rescan your ID and proof of address with a good app. And the third one, make sure you log in from your normal device and location without any VPN. Another one is to go to KDP dashboard, then click on help and click on contact us. Look for account verification or identity verification category if available, of which I doubt. Then use this exact message template, copy and paste it. And if you need a message template, please let me know in the comment section. So this is the exact message I'm going to write to Amazon, as you can see on my screen. Attach the new scans. This wording bypasses most automated replies and pushes for human review. It will make Amazon to push it to human review so that they will review it and say that this is actually the right ID and this is the right owner of this account. Most creators who follow this get movement maybe around 3 to 7 days. Sometimes sometimes the same day the issue will be escalated and this problem will be resolved. If you don't receive any reply in 72 hours, you need to send polite follow-up message to the support team. Once you've been approved, turn on two-step verification immediately. If you haven't, make sure you turn on your two-step verification immediately, as this will prevent future flags. Avoid changing major account details like your email or tax ID for 30 good days. Let's assume that you linked an Euro account on your Amazon and you want to change it to US. Don't change it until it's up to 30 days before you do that. Also check the KDP notification tab weekly. Amazon sometimes can ask for extra info. They can ask you for extra information quietly. So you need to be checking your email. And that is the full process. If your account is still stuck after following the steps, drop your situation in the comments. I will reply with the next escalation step. If this helped you get unstuck, please hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps me to keep making this kind of video. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next video that will be coming up. If you need one-on-one help with your KDP journey, please do let me know. You can join my WhatsApp group. The link will be on the description of this video. I am there to answer your questions and guide you personally. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.